This is our instructional video on how to use our Summer Selector tool for the RITES summer programs. It's really easy to use and very convenient, and we just want to show you how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is start at the Rhode Island Tutorial and Educational Services website, ritutorial.org, and then you're going to go over here and click on Summer Programs. And then our summer programs page comes up with lots of helpful information. We have data from our past summers, we've got great video and lots of information, but we're going to focus right now on the Selector tool. You'll see here the gray boxes that have the entering grades listed. What you want to do is think about what grade your child will be in the fall. So let's say I have a current third grader. So that student will be a fourth grader in the fall. So I'll click on entering grade 4. And I get a drop-down menu of different courses that are offered by Rhode Island Tutorial. So we have it broken down by our intensive intervention classes. We have a couple of options here. We have our keeping skills sharp. That's to avoid the summer slide for some students. We have an option there. And then if these schedules don't work for you and you want to look at and explore one-to-one tutoring, we have that as an option as well. But let's say I'm interested in the 3-week writing and math class. So I click on the title, and the course description comes up with a lot of helpful information about this particular class, Power Up Writing and Math. So you can explore and see what skills are covered and see if this fits what you're looking for your child. And if so, you would click through to the Apply Now button. When we click on that, it opens a separate window. And keep in mind when you get to this window, all of our courses pop up again. So you're going to want to either filter or look for the name of the course you want. I'm going to use the filter of 4th grade, and it's going to limit my options. And there's my Power Up Writing and Math. I would click on that, and that would start my registration process. And that's all there is to that piece. Now, it opens in separate windows. So let's say I actually have a sibling to another child who is actually going into a different grade. So I can back up in my browser. And let's say I also have an entering 7th grader. I click on that and I get a different drop-down menu. And let's say at the same location, I want some study skills for that student. So I click on that title, and it brings up a different screen that shows me all about the study skills course. Once again, the application is reached by clicking on the button below, and you get to that same registration screen that we talked about earlier. Once again, all the courses will pop up, so you're going to want to either filter or do a scroll down. Here's the class I was looking for. Click on it and I can get started on registering for that. And if I still want to go back and find out more about the programs offered by RITES, I can return to this screen and I can back up and get back to the main summer page. And it's that simple. So we hope you found this easy to use and this answers all your questions, and we look forward to seeing your registration